This is what a UniCarriers Nomad looks like coming right off the assembly line, pristine and perfect. And this is what a Nomad looks like working 3 shifts a day, carrying 2,500-pound ladles filled with molten aluminum, heated to 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit, with dust, dirt, uneven floors, and an air temperature that can reach 102 degrees. There are few work environments as punishing as a foundry, but for a Nomad, it's just another day on the job. While the paint may no longer be pristine, don't let appearances fool you. The Nomad redefines reliability, engineered to not only operate in the harshest conditions, but excel in them. The Nomad forklifts you see here are the workhorses of Madison-Kipp Corporation's foundry outside Madison, Wisconsin. Throughout their facility, you'll find Nomad forklifts hard at work, loading and unloading trucks, moving heavy loads to machining workstations, navigating tight aisles, working indoors and out. Quite simply, the Nomad is a UniCarriers exclusive and the most versatile forklift on the market. Outdoors, the Nomad's solid pneumatic tires can handle demanding applications on most improved surfaces. Indoors, the compact chassis of the Nomad delivers tight handling and superior maneuverability. Rated at 3,000 to 5,000 pound capacities, the Nomad offers proven technology, including the industry-leading GCT K21 engine that delivers greater torque with low emissions. But that's only the beginning. The Nomad offers great visibility, onboard diagnostics, the added safety of a seat-actuated operator presence system, simplified maintenance, extended service intervals, and an array of options that allow you to customize the Nomad to your exact specifications. Because the operator works in the same punishing environment as the forklift, the UniCarriers Nomad also boasts superior operator comfort, thriving productivity, job after job, shift after shift. And backing up all of this performance is the best standard limited warranty in the business. If a UniCarriers Nomad can excel in this environment, imagine how it can work in yours.